In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can list products from Cj Dropshipping to Shopify and more. So what you need to do guys first is to create an account on Cj Dropshipping. Okay, now you want to search for Cj Dropshipping and you need to create an account. You need to click on register, and you can register using your Facebook or Google account or WhatsApp, whatever. So I like to use my Google account. I'm going to register using my Google account. And as you can see guys, I have successfully created an account on Cj. Now next step you need to do guys, you want to click on authorization in the top left, click on Shopify, and that's it. So after you click guys on Shopify, what you need to do guys next is you want to click on add store. As you can see, okay, I'm just going to reload the page. I think I have a problem with like Wi-Fi connection. Okay, I'm going to reload again the page. Okay, it seems like the problem is resolved. So what you need to do guys, you want to click on as you can see here, you want to click on add store. Okay, click on authorize. As you can see, authorize, and it will take you directly to Shopify app store so that you can download an app that will help you import products or list products from Cj Dropshipping to Shopify. Click on add app, and then you want to just log in. If it takes you to this page like me, just want to select your email address, and most of the time it will not ask you. So after you are on this page, you want to click on install app in the top right. Now we have successfully installed the app. Okay, now it will take you back, it will direct you back to to Cj. Like you want to click on authorize and then click confirm and click again code authorize. Now we have successfully connected our Shopify to Cj Dropshipping. As you can see, authorization success. Cj will help you make dropshipping business much easier. Now you want to scroll down a little bit and click on list now. Okay, list now, so that you can find the product that you want to list to your Shopify store. So the beauty of Cj, like whenever someone places an order on your Shopify, Cj will take care of the process. Like they will ship the product automatically without you doing anything. That's what I like about Cj Dropshipping. Now like I said, you want to search for the product that you want to add to your Shopify. For example, this product. Alright, and now you want to scroll down a little bit after you select the product that you want to list on your Shopify. Scroll down a little bit and then click on list. Okay, so after you click on list, here is what you need to do guys next is you want to enter here your you don't really need to enter here your Shopify store because we already connected it. So where it says ship from, it's like most of the products from Cj, they come from China, and where it says here ship my orders most to, you want to select United States. This means that you only ship to a specific country. Most dropshippers, they ship to United States because American people have a lot of money, so that's why most people target these countries like United States, Canada, like Australia, United Kingdom. These people, they have the budget like to buy anything online. So where it says here shipping method, you want to go with Cj sensitive because this one is fast, like the shipping time is faster. And where it says here the product type, then you need to click on add new and click test or whatever you want. And here the collection is home page, the vendor is test also, so I'm going to click like test. And here the price of the item. So whenever someone buys this product from you on Shopify, like after the Cj ships the product to the customer, like Cj will take $14 of the price. Okay, so if you sold this for $30, then the profit will be 50% because Cj will take, like I said, half of the price of the item. As you can see, $14. The shipping cost is $7. The product cost is $6, and the service fee is $1. So you need to add here the price here. As you can see, price change, click OK. So you can add automatically the price to all the different variations. You can also add one by one manually if the price is not the same. You can increase the price. For example, if this specific variant is $20, you can increase it to $40 or whatever. It depends on how much you want to charge. Okay, so after you do all these things, you want to click on list it now, and you just want to wait a few seconds, and this product will be listed into your Shopify store. You just want to go to your Shopify, and you will find that specific product inside your Shopify. So this is it. As you can see, when I click on products, click on preview on online store, and you will find this product. As you can see, so what you need to do, guys, is you want to promote this product on social media like Facebook. If someone buys this from you on Shopify, CJ will ship the product automatically to the customer, so you don't need to worry about anything, and you can also withdraw your profit from CJ. Okay, it's very easy, guys. So all you need to worry about right now is to get a sale on Shopify, and that's it. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, so I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and watch the video in the screen to learn more about Shopify. So see you guys in the next video.